Hi, and welcome to your Friday Extra. Today I am joined by Jessica Gonzalez, who is the Vice President for Operations for American Maintenance. American Maintenance not only is the company part of our membership, she is also probably one of our strongest volunteers for everything that we do. Our board of director, a treasurer for the Bronx Chamber of Commerce, and on top of that, the icing on the cake is she is sponsoring our new member breakfast. We're hitting almost 50 members just in this quarter alone. So Jessica, I'm so glad you're here today, and thank you for all you do. So tell our fabulous audience, we know how great you are, but they need to know how great you are. Talk to me. What's American Maintenance, and why are you selecting to sponsor the new member breakfast?
Well, first of all, I want to thank all the new members for joining the Bronx Chamber of Commerce. This is the best choice they made. As well as I am sponsoring the breakfast to kind of put our business out there too. We do residential, commercial cleanings. Spring is around the corner, so spring cleaning is the most get ready for the summer, kind of,
Right.
Get fresh and clean. Also, we do janitorial supplies. We sell them as well. Paper towels, toilet paper, anything you need. Business has been open for 19 years, since 2004. My dad was working with his brother and then took over the company, changed the name, and continued. He worked as a correction officer for 21 years at Rikers
Wow.
Island.
Really?
Yes. And it's just been, I came in with him 11 years ago, and I've been with him since, and eventually I will be CEO of the business because he'll be retiring finally.
So full family business.
Yes.
Right, and I think that that's the one thing that people don't understand. You see these big companies like yours, but it really is about the family and providing the services. I've seen the quality of the work you do. I saw the work being done when you did with parks over at Orchard Beach and some of our other premier businesses and recreational areas in the borough.
Yes.
So you're involved with the chamber. Why?
The chamber has helped us in a lot of different ways. COVID-19, when it hit, it was just, we were at a real standstill with supplies, and we were an essential company. We never closed at all. We actually got busier because medical centers and other companies needed really more cleaning due to COVID. So the Bronx Chamber, we've been a member for about 8 years. The last couple of years is where I got more involved because I had more time, I was more out there, but I'm the face of the company now, so I go out there, promote to bring more business to us.
Women power.
Yes,
I'm all about it.
Yes, it is.
But I really want to thank you. I think the new members see you as an example, right,
Yes.
of the diversity and the women in business.
Yes.
I know that you're certified, am I correct?
Yes, we
Minority
are.
certified.
Yes, we are.
To be able to work with the city agencies across
New York State, federal. Yes,
that's
we are.
fantastic, which is what we need, right?
Yep.
So this is the type of involvement and the type of support our new members and those that are present and is what the chamber is all about. It's a family in the chamber with family-owned businesses, leadership, and the new members will be thrilled to hear from you about
Yes.
all the great stuff that you're doing and give them a little hope in saying that the Bronx is booming.
Yes, it is.
Family-owned businesses
Yes,
is what
it
it's all
is.
about. And we want to thank you for everything you do. And I
Thank
appreciate you
you.
coming out and joining me on this
Listen,
Friday.
And Bronx Chamber, you can't go wrong. Welcome again for joining. And whatever you need, they're here. They're here to help. Certifications, our office helped me. I had one pending since September. We called, and now it's in review 2 days later after Bronx Chamber helped me. And listen, whatever you need, they're a great family to join. So
And if you
welcome.
need cleaning services, both commercial and residential, you know who to call. The information is listed below for Jessica. And this is your Friday Extra. Have yourself an amazing weekend.